Assalamualaikum. My name is AGR4507 and my matric number is 192191. Today, I'm going to share about sustainable oil palm plantation in Malaysia. For the introduction, oil palm originated in West Africa and introduced in Malaya as ornamental plant at 1870s. On 1917, first commercial planting took place in Tanah Merah Estate in Selangor. Thus, oil palm has been planted in Malaysia for over a century. So let's know more about Malaysian palm oil. The cultivation land for oil palm in Malaysia is 4.49 million hectares of land, which produce 17.73 million tons of palm oil and 2.13 tons of palm kernel oil. This oil production contributed to 11% of the world oil and fats production and 27% export trade of fats and oil. However, oil palm sustainability has always been questioned. Sustainability means that oil palm production must be produced without threatening the environment, social, and economic aspect. According to the United Nations, sustainability development consists of social, environment, and economic sustainability. So now I'm going to share two topics that often be campaigned to boycott the palm oil.
The Sumatran rhino are threatened with extinction. Only a few hundred of each species exist in the wild, and their habitats are often in the path of land clearing. In Borneo, there has been a 50% decrease in orangutan populations in the past 65 years. This is a direct result of the forest fires and conversion of woodlands for palm oil cultivation. Alongside logging and mining, land clearing for agriculture is currently one of the leading causes of deforestation. If consumers don't demand more sustainable practices soon, the products we buy can and will contribute to the loss of the world's rainforests. You can help by purchasing products that do not contain palm oil, or if they do, were made sustainably.
The first topic is deforestation. It is said that deforestation happens because oil palm plantation needs more land to grow the oil palm trees. However, oil palm only uses 7% of the world's farming area and accounts for 32% of the oil production. And the cultivation land areas of oil palm in Malaysia were shifted from other crops cultivation land such as rubber and cocoa. And interestingly, oil palm plantation with its evergreen cover and close canopy display the important feature of tropical rainforest and as efficient as rainforest in absorbing the greenhouse gases. The oil palm can produce high volume of oxygen and absorbing large quantity of carbon dioxide. Thus, oil palm is the most beneficial vegetable oil that giving the highest yield per hectare land compared to other vegetable oil. The second issue is wildlife extinction. It is claimed that the oil palm's expansion area can threaten the wildlife habitat such as Sumatran rhinoceros, tiger, and orangutan. Thus, Malaysian Palm Oil Wildlife Conservation Fund was launched to manage various conservation projects. The funds are provided for execution of projects and studies on wildlife habitat and environmental conservation. For example, the establishment of the wildlife rescue they use for rescue and translocate the endangered wildlife when it is found on the oil palm surrounding landscape. So, does Malaysian palm oil is sustainable? In 2008, Malaysian palm oil was awarded as the first certified sustainable oil palm through RSPO, and 1/3 of the world's sustainable palm oil is produced in Malaysia. In Malaysia, it is mandatory for all the Malaysian palm oil industry to be MSPO certified. Thus, 4.48 million hectares of land are certified by the MSPO. In a conclusion, it is proven that Malaysia has been sustainably grown the oil palm. That's all from me. Thank you.